Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
We're going to work with an embellishment that you can use when you do Ocho Cortado.
A lot of fun and great for the milonga.
If you are ready, let's go to the video. Okay, here we are. We have 2 steps for her just to work on the exercise. We're going to reverse the position, one more front to do it all over again. From front, reverse the position. We go back to the left to walk from with the right leg. We are going to do the circle and back to repeating it. So what we are doing is getting a little embellishment after the last front step. I have my right leg back and he will lead me to go back to my right side. So I will use that lead to slide, rotate, and position the right leg front to do one more front with the left. So this is a nice embellishment you can use when you do Ocho Cortado, when you do reverse ochos. So let me show you a little bit the technique. After the front step, the last one, I had my right leg back. I'm waiting for him to rotate me. So I will not move the leg until I don't feel this. So don't do it by yourself. Also because you create this counterbody position, then you slide the leg at first on your back to create a larger circle if you want. So from here we can do larger circle. When you get to the position of feet together, this is when we rotate and we align the leg to create a front step position. So I have to rotate again to walk front and front to the steps. Let's do one more time. 1 and 2. Rotate, circle, front step, and feet together.